So, Zubits. There are three different types of Zubits that you can get. I'm sure you're already familiar with Zubits, so if you're watching this video, you've probably already seen the reviews, you know how to put them on already, etc, etc. This review specifically is basically to explain the difference, or try to figure out the difference between the three different types of the Zubits you can get. So there's three strengths. The first strength is that you've got is the child and elder, and it also actually explains the whole thing in the back. The child and elder is for kids 5 to 8 years old, adults with low activity and walking and light casual shoes. You've got the adult version, the youth version, which is what I had before. So I bought these Zubits in black, and you can see them on here as well. And this is basically the adult version that I've got on the shoes. And it says adult to youth for ages 9 to adult. Best size for most adults for running or going to the gym. Now I've had issues with these because occasionally they do pop off. And they only pop out whenever whenever I'm putting pressure on there. If I've tightened them too much, they do occasionally pop out, and it gets very annoying. So I've bought these ones. This is the high strength one. It's called Sports and Large Adult. You've got the highest performance for sports or hard running. People over 190 pounds, or that's 86 kilos, and for very tight lacing. Now, I'm not that heavy. I probably weigh about 90 kilos, but it's more muscle than fat. I like to think so. But hey, who's counting? So we've got the Zubits here. Again, this is the performance version, and this is the normal version. I'm just going to pop these open as well. You've seen lots of different reviews for these, so you already know what's in the package and what the different types are. They don't come with laces, so the other reviews show that these actually come with laces, and then these ones don't. This is all you get if you're buying it from Amazon. It's got instructions in there. It's got these little clippy things in there as well. Now you probably want to know what these are for. You basically put these at the end of your laces, and then you cut them. And the instruction quite clearly says you just snip the end of the laces. Now I didn't do that with my Vans because I didn't want to ruin the laces. I don't like commitment, so I wasn't sure if I was going to hold on to them or not. So basically I left the laces as they are, and I'll show you what the difference is with that as well. Again, these go at the end. Now what I've done here, you can quite clearly see that I've got the Zubits here at the very end minus the last one. So what I do is if I can either tie the laces as well as the Zubits, so it makes it even tighter and guarantee that it doesn't come off. Or normally what I do is I stick the laces in there, open this, and stick my feet in there. And once my feet are in there, these laces are all tight, and then you clip them together, and you don't have to worry about the laces. It just works. So I don't need to snip the ends of my laces. So I never used these that came in the box. So again, so what you get here, again, these are the performance ones. You've seen these, you've seen them on all the reviews. I'm not going to go through that. And these are the super strength ones. You can actually feel the difference between these and the ones that I've already got on now. Right, and as opposed to these ones, these ones easily come on and off. Again, these are 6 months old. I don't expect them to be wearing out too much because of the quality of the magnets. Sorry about the dirty shoes, but basically you just open it and then you just click it, and they open quite easily. They click quite easily as well. With these, they don't open as easily, and they click in quite hard. You can actually tell the difference when it's clipping in. It has this snap, so do not get your fingers stuck in there. And again, going back to these, yeah, these are quite tight as well, but compare them to this, yeah, these are much stronger. So I reckon I'm going to give these a try. I bought a new pair of Puma Smashes. And again, I've done a review for these as well, so it's worth a look. So I'm going to transfer the black ones from my Vans onto my Puma. I've tried these on. They're very comfortable and absolutely really special. So I'm going to try the black ones on there, and I've also bought a pair of Vans as well to replace these old ones because these are starting to cut. So I'm going to transfer the white ones onto my white laces. Again, these are supposed to be white laces, and then see how it goes. So I'm going to give these a try. And if you have a click onto the description, you'll be able to click on the Amazon link and buy them. There are various alternatives. Now I know you can buy different cheaper ones, and the cheaper one, I bought one in red because it was much cheaper than the Zubits. These are about £20 in UK pounds. But the cheap ones you can get from Amazon for about £5. They're similar strengths to these, but not as strong as the original basic adult ones. So the cheaper ones, yeah, give it a try, see how you get on. But if you have problems with those, this is the best ones to go for. The Zubits are proven to be really good compared to the other ones that I used, the cheap ones that I used. So yeah, give it a try and see what you think. Click on the link. You can buy the actual Zubits from Amazon using my link. If you do that, I'd appreciate it. And why not just click on subscribe as well? I do interesting reviews on my bed, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Enjoy.